This candle represents leadership. Leaders come in every size, shape, and disposition. Short, tall, neat, sloppy, young, old, male, and female. Nevertheless, they seem to all share the same ingredients. The first basic ingredient of leadership is a guiding vision. The leader has a clear idea of what he wants to do, and he has the strength to persist in the face of setbacks and even failures. The second ingredient is passion, the underlying passion for the promises of life. The leader loves what he is doing. He gives hope and inspiration to other people. Some call it enthusiasm. The final ingredient is integrity. It is the basis of all trust, and it has three parts: self-knowledge, candor, and maturity. The leader never lies to himself or about himself. He knows his flaws as well as his assets. He is his own raw material. Knowing what he consists of and what he wants to become, he can invent himself. Candor is honesty of thought and action. The leader does not cut his conscience to fit this year's fashion. Any leader must be a risk taker, an experimenter. Only maturity can guide a leader, helping him embrace the errors and learn from them.
Thank you. This concludes the awards and business. The awards in fine arts are Art 1, Renee Allen. Art 2, Teresa Powell. Art 3, John Guest. Art 4, Chad Bean. Concert band, Ray Murr. Marching band, Ian Pace. Symphonic band, Denise Rio. Jazz band, Scott Fowler. John Philip Sousa Award for Outstanding Band Student, Kim Watley. Choir, Charlie Moore. Outstanding Theater Student, Sneeka Cato. This concludes the awards in fine arts.
On behalf of the United States Air Force Academy, Colorado Springs, it really gives me a great deal of pleasure to be able to present this scholarship award this year to a student at Crowley High School. This is probably one of the most sought after awards across the nation, in that 20,000 to 30,000 students each year apply for admission into the United States Air Force Academy. So it is with great pleasure that I'm able to present this scholarship to the prep school, in turn to the United States Air Force Academy, to Michael A. Farris.